Hey, hi. Um, I want my colleague here to introduce this great lab he has here in TEAS in Engineering Technology Industrial Distribution Department. I just want him to talk a bit about what he does, and I'll leave it to him to go ahead and introduce himself. And
Thank you very much for visiting us today. This is the Robotics and Mechanisms Lab at Multidisciplinary Engineering Technology program
yes,
at ETID. So this is basically the first hands-on robotics lab for teaching. In this lab, which is designed for MXT 250 hands-on robotics, we focus on teaching the student the first step into the education and career in robotics. So the students will be able to build the robot for in first days they join the program. Also, we emphasize on creativity, programming skills, such that by the end of their class, they build a comprehensive robot, and that will give them an idea about their journey in MXT program.
oh, very nice, very nice. So, can you tell us more about your research and passion? What made you start this interesting quest?
Yes, my research is based on robotic mechanism, and that's what inspired me to create this course and this lab for the students,
Yes.
because I found a gap in engineering students who join engineering like education. They don't have the training needed in robotics, such that they can plan ahead for their final capstone project. So they have to wait for 4 years until they build their first robot, which is their capstone.
The great work the students are doing here in ETID MXET program. Most of the students are working on robotic related research, and I'm here with my great colleague here. He's gotten some funding to support some of this research and efforts.
My recent funding in collaboration with Mechanical Engineering Department team,
Okay.
We received the National Science Foundation Engineering Research Center.
Nice.
This is $26 million project for 5 years, renewable. We are working to develop the futuristic robotic hands
Okay.
to assist the human in multiple applications.
Nice, nice. So great things happening here at ETID. I'm very excited to be here working with great colleagues. So watch out for more of this type of things going on at ETID. I just stopped by. I was passing by and I saw the students going hands-on and doing very hands-on research, and that's really what we do here at Engineering Technology Industrial Distribution. Especially when we talk about our multidisciplinary engineering program and also our MET program, which is mechanical and manufacturing engineering. We like hands-on research, and we like to get the students' hands dirty. That's how we want to call it, right? So
Yeah.
we want to get them interested in hands-on research and applied research. So I'm very glad to have the honor to be here with you and do this tour. Interesting things you have here going. So look out for more and stay tuned. Bye bye.